coming soon. And this is the good message to the whole devotees of the world. The Illuminati power countdown starts from the Mahendragiri. The Mahendragiri sun rising is you can see, and the power of the devil, the power of demon that is going to the destruction. And this is the time of sacrifice. This is the time of dedication, so that the Sri Kalki Ram is coming. And if you want to see, you have to come to the Mahendragiri. That is the powerful place, and that is the place of the disciple of Parsuram Bhagwan. When the Parsuram Bhagwan will give the disciple list to Kalki Ram, and Kalki Ram will be finished, destruct to the Illuminati power, demon's power, devil's power. Countdown started. No Christian, no Muslim, only Jai Sri Kalki Ram. Har Har Mahadev.
हर हर महादेव.